In this video, we are going to show you how to install a Rointe towel rail with exposed brackets. For the installation, you only need a drill, a screwdriver and a pencil. Inside the towel rail box, you will find the product and the installation kit. The kit consists of 3 brackets, screws and fixing plugs, as well as an installation template and the user manual. To start the installation process, you need to place the template in the location where you want to install the towel rail. Then, mark with a pencil the holes where the brackets will be installed. Remember, you should only mark the holes from the template that correspond to your towel rail model. Next, carefully drill the holes in the marked points and insert the plugs into the holes. Then, place the outer pieces of the brackets and fix them to the wall using the screws supplied in the installation kit. Insert and fix the inner part of the bracket with the screwdriver. The part of the bracket in contact with the towel rail must be installed in a cross position, with the sloping sections perpendicular and the square in the middle sit central. The bracket cannot be installed at an angle, otherwise the towel rail bars won't sit properly on it. After that, place the towel rail on the brackets, then secure it by fitting and fixing the front part of the brackets with the screws supplied. Finally, place the end caps over the brackets. Now you can connect your product to power to finish the installation. Your Rointe towel rail is now installed and working. Remember, if the towel rail installed is a connected product with Wi-Fi Direct, you can learn how to pair it with the app in the video we recommend below.